Hi, this is Lakshya, and I'm going to be presenting a composite that we created as part of the Expressive Robotics class. So, we started with potato starch, gelatin, and glycerin, and turmeric, eggshells, and coffee. And then we mix these materials and heat them to create a bioplastic. So, these are the two materials that me and Vedant created. So one of them has coffee in it and the other one has turmeric and eggshells. So after heating it, we let it dry for a bit and after that we start peeling it. Okay, so we're peeling the bioplastic off. So now we're gonna run some tests on the bioplastic. We can see we have a textured surface with eggshells inside, and it's like a pancake. It's flexible. It seems a little moist inside still. Um, and as a structure, it's able to hold its own weight and isn't falling apart under its own weight. You can see that, and it's very foldable, flexible, elastic. It's able to stretch a little bit, but I'm afraid I might break it if I stretch it too much, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, and now we be looking at the other properties. So the light, so it's translucent, but because of the eggshells and the turmeric, because of the turmeric it has yellow color, and because of the eggshells it's opaque now, just kind of semi-translucent. I will shine a torch from the other side now. Yeah, so I have a flashlight from a phone from the side, so you can see light pass through pretty easily, and it has a yellow glow, so because of the turmeric. And so that's the optical property of this. And pause. So here we're showing that we can tear this using our hands. Okay, next now we're going to test the flame characteristics. So we put it on a flame, and as we can see, it melts. It's not able to transfer heat through itself, but it melts when it gets heated enough. We have a glass of water here, and we're gonna dip it. And as we can see, it's not soluble in water anymore, so it's not falling apart. Even after squeezing it and shaking it, it's not falling apart. It does soak some water though, a little bit like a sponge, acts a little bit like a sponge, but it's not soluble. As you can see, there's a lot of bubbles created and wrinkles because of the water escaping. So when I use a spoon on this, as you can see, it's trying to stick onto the spoon and it's falling apart. So basically what this proves is that this material is not able to withstand heat and it falls apart, but I think we can remold this into a new shape, and because of heat it becomes sticky. So maybe we can use it as a glue.